Hey everyone, for this video I am painting mica onto my bath bombs, which right now I'm working on Halloween ones. I use rubbing alcohol, 91%. A lot of people use 99%, but 91% is the highest that I could find that has a less water in it. And I just take my mica that I have right here, and I just put it into a little bowl that you can see because I've already started painting it and I've added the rubbing alcohol to it. You just add a little bit of alcohol and then you just put the mica in there and just make sure it's not too runny. And mine's kind of drying out, so I'm going to add a little bit more to it. Kind of spoon it in there. It's thickened up like a little bit. Alright, here's the bath bomb that I'm going to paint with the mica. Just very easy. I'm just using a dedicated paintbrush. There you go, wiped it off. But I just use a dedicated paintbrush, so I use this for the mica and bath bombs. When I got this one out of the bath bomb, it kind of broke up a little bit, so I'm just gonna kind of draw where I think maybe the teeth might be. So outline it. Yeah, it's gonna be a tooth. And sometimes I wipe the paintbrush tip off to get the mica off, because sometimes it goops up at the end. And that's it. I'll just let this dry for a few minutes and then I'm going to shrink wrap it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.